Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check battery health for max capacity and update to the latest iOS so charging algorithms are current. Next, plug in an Apple-certified charger and cable. Quality matters for consistent current. Once done, enable optimized battery charging in settings. It delays full charging to reduce wear. Make sure the device is between 20% and 80% while you start this routine, and avoid charging in extreme heat or cold, because temperature accelerates degradation. Now continue with the core daily routine. Aim to keep the battery mostly between 20% and 80% because shallow cycles reduce chemical stress. Make sure optimized battery charging stays enabled. This learns your schedule and pauses topping to 100% until you need it. Use low power mode during heavy drain periods to reduce high current events. Place the phone on a cool, ventilated surface while charging and avoid wireless pads that trap heat. Temperature control is critical for slower, healthier. Finish by performing a controlled maintenance step. Once a month, allow the battery to discharge to around 20% and then charge to 100% to help the system recalibrate its state of charge estimate. If you notice rapid capacity loss or odd shutdowns, run the built-in battery diagnostics in settings or contact Apple support for a health check. And make sure any replacement uses authorized parts. Poor quality cells or improper installation negate all the care you put into preserving battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.